Just finishing up the subfloor work at the kitchen remodel I've been working on. I was waiting on the pantry to be emptied out so I could get the last of the subfloor done and then fix the bowing joists in the other part of the room. This is 5/8 inch thick OSB, which is padding up the floor, and then ply 1, which is 1/4 inch thick, and it's a great underlayment to make a nice smooth surface to install, for instance, vinyl plank, which is the current plan for this room. The area just left of the beam you can see there is bowed. There are a couple of joists that are hanging low, which I'm going to fix right after this subfloor is repaired. As you can see, I'm just going to show you there is a bowed area right where that light spot is, a couple of joists. Back in the basement, as you can see, this is the main carrying beam, and it ends before just those two joists. There is a block wall here, which I will be able to prop up the end, but these 2x6s are bowed. So I'm going to do a 4x6 purlin across those 3 bays if I can find an open area. Time for an inspection, and we just noticed this is the old kitchen drain line, but it's lined up nearly with the bay where the new sink is going to go. There looks to be a street 45 right here, which I'll cut out and use a hub saver, and then I'll go that direction down this bay. The end of that beam isn't supporting anything, so I can run the pipe straight through that beam. I'm getting the pipe out of the way, and then I'm going to be tying some water lines to the ceiling so that they're not drooping anymore, and jacking up the left side of these floor joists. They are hanging right over the block wall, so I'm able to add solid blocking under them, and the goal isn't level there, it's just to make it so that they don't move, so I don't ruin the tile floor in the bathroom. And then I do the same here in the center of the room, other than I'm just jacking it up until those joists no longer bow. They're going to do solid blocking on the block wall on the left and the right. It will be a lot sturdier. Got a purlin in, supported by block wall on this side and on that side. All it is doing is holding up the bow in this joist and the next one over. It's not holding a lot of weight, but it will make the floor a lot more stable. So I'll get some fasteners in here off camera, and I'm sure we'll be back down here again